Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another summer craft party video. Today I have a really cute shadow box for you. This is my Summer Travels shadow box. How fun is this design? You have the family car there with the luggage on top and all the different swim accessories there. You have the cute little sentiment in the front. Just a really fun design. This is a perfect addition to anyone's summer decor. I can't wait to show it to you. So take a look at the materials list and let's get started. Step 1. Get the SVG Cut File. This project was part of Summer Craft Party 2024. To get the cut file for this project, you can purchase the VIP Access Pass that includes instant lifetime access to the entire 12-day event, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing. Get more information on the VIP Access Pass at thebeardedhousewife.com/SCP24. If you're interested in only this project, you can purchase the individual cut file in my shop. I have links to both options in the description box below. No matter which option you choose, you'll want to make sure you download the cut file, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Okay, now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, and click Open, and Upload. Highlight the image, and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Resize the design. And you can see that our project has been brought into our canvas. Now I have sized the shadow box design to fit within the inner dimensions of the shadow box that I'll be using. That shadow box is listed in the materials list. If you're going to be using this for a card or placing it in a larger shadow box, you can change the sizing here in the sizing options. Just make sure to keep the proportions locked so you don't distort the design at all. Since my design is already set to the proportions that I would like, I'm going to go ahead and click Make It. And you can see the different mats for this shadow box. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Alright, so I have all the different pieces cut out. It's time to go ahead and start to assemble. Now I am actually going to glue some of the pieces together before I add them to the shadow box. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue the two starburst sections together, and then all of the car sections together, and then the green and text layer together. After that, I might add some foam squares. I would recommend foam squares probably behind the green layer, the white layer for the car, and then the darker of the starburst layers. All together, when you're going to layer this together, you're going to start with the solid light blue, darker blue, light blue, white, yellow, pink, brown, pale blue, red, dark blue, green, and white again. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to do this. So I'm going to speed up the video while I glue everything together, and then I'm going to grab my shadow box. Alright, so I have glued together the different layers that I wanted glued, and I put some foam squares behind those different sections. I have my shadow box here and the backing, and now I'm just going to go ahead and start to layer everything together. I'm going to start with the little sentiment piece there in the front, and then the car section, and then the starburst. And lastly, the backing. Now I'm going to place that backing piece there and close up the shadow box. And there is our design. How fun was this one to make? Really, really cute. It just embodies summer traveling to me. It's such a fun design. It would be perfect on a card as well. I hope that you like it. If you make this project, I hope that you share it with me, whether that be through email or through our Facebook group. I would love to see your creations. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Summer Craft Party video. Bye-bye.